Color Glow International is the world leader in marine interior restoration, to leather, vinyl, and plastic. Welcome on board and thank you for taking the time to view this short video, covering some of our regular services we provide. We provide on-site services to cruise ships, yachts, and boats. We start off by protecting a working area with floor and wall tarps, ensuring that there is no contamination into adjacent areas, but this is not a major concern as our products are water-based, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly, and more especially, it is odorless. We repair and restore holes, cuts, tears using our state-of-the-art patented technology. We work with a silent compressor so there is no acoustic interference. Our products are manufactured in accordance to ISO 9001 quality assurance standards, and we are proud that our products is also aquatic-friendly, specifically developed for marine use. Our services saves you time and money. There is a huge cost saving as compared to reupholstery. All work is done on board and the items are ready to use within an hour. Color Glow has branches globally. We have been servicing the marine sector for the past 40 years. Our franchisees are professionally trained to service all types of leather and marine vinyl. We have state-of-the-art technology to color match to perfection, and our finish meets OEM standards. Contact Color Glow today. We are here to provide you with the best and most professional services at all times.